Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently, IBPS has published its SO IT notification, which has around 203 vacancies. Many banks have not yet reported, so this vacancy will easily cross 500. So it's a very good opportunity. And for this exam, prelims will be conducted on 30th August 2025 and main will be conducted on 9th November. So it's right time you should follow a right strategy to ace your exam. Today in this video, I will discuss about the sources to prepare for the mains exam for IT stream. One note guys, using these sources I have cracked two competitive exam, SBI SO Assistant Manager System and UIC Data Analyst. So you can trust these sources. Now I have divided the syllabus in two sections. First section is traditional topics. This include data structure, algorithm, networking, ops, DBMS, operating system, software engineering. These are the core of computer science, especially the OS, DBMS, networking. IBPS has asked a lot of questions from this topic. And the second section is machine learning, artificial intelligence, NLP, cyber security. It also includes network security, big data analytics, Hadoop, data modeling, analytics, data warehouse. These are the new topics, and my own observation is IBPS has started asking questions from these topics also. For example, last year they asked almost 40% of the paper in GIC RE IT officer exam from cyber security and networking part only. So IBPS is giving lots of importance to these new topics. Now for each and every topic I will discuss the sources. For data structure, algorithm, programming in C++, Java, Python, I will suggest you to see the Python revision video of Apna College. In this video, Shraddha ma'am has taught really well. You can also refer data structure one-shot video of Sanchit sir and algorithm one-shot video of Sanchit sir. Look, if you are preparing for placement, then you have to know data structure algorithm very well. But IBPS don't go that much level. But yes, sometimes IBPS asked code snippet, and from that code you have to tell you the answer. You should know C++, Java, Python well, then only you can give the answer. Now next topic is networking. It's a very important topic, and recently IBPS has started asking a lots of questions from network security. For that you can refer Get Smasher playlist, or you can also see one shot video of Sanchit sir. What I did was my initial reading was from Get Smasher playlist, then I revised the topics from one shot video of Sanchit sir. And one thing guys, do not go very deep or don't go that much level that Get requires. You should have basic knowledge of every topics. That much will be sufficient. And IBPS has never asked any numericals, so you don't have to go numericals of networking. For object oriented programming, you can refer Apna College playlist. For DBMS, operating system and software engineering, what I did, first I watched all the videos of Get Smasher, then I revised those topics from Sanchit sir, one shot video of Sanchit sir. It was really helpful. And one thing guys, in operating system, IBPS has started asking questions on Linux command, so prepare it thoroughly. Now I will discuss about the new topics. Honestly saying, for new topics I have not found any good playlist or any good resources, but still for cyber security you can refer 5-minute engineering playlist. It is a good playlist. And you can refer Get Smasher playlist for data warehouse and data mining. Now rest of the topics you prepare notes from ChatGPT. Now I will show you how I prepared notes from ChatGPT. So open ChatGPT, and for example you want to read big data from ChatGPT. So first write this prompt, detailed syllabus of big data. Now ChatGPT will show you detailed syllabus of big data, like introduction, big data architecture, Hadoop ecosystem. Hadoop is very important. NABARD has asked a lot of questions from Hadoop previously. Then NoSQL database, Apache Spark, it is also important. In UIC data analytics exam, they have asked question from Apache Spark, Hive. So this way you can note the syllabus. For example, you want to know about data lakes and data lake houses. So just write a prompt like explain data lake and lake houses within 500 words. Now ChatGPT will show you this information. And this way I made notes on data analytics, cyber security. So this is how I made my notes. So like CIA triad, what is cyber security. So this way I made notes from ChatGPT, and then I revised it multiple times. And one thing guys, whatever notes you are making, revise that notes multiple times, else there is no use of making notes. Now while studying the topics, I will suggest you, in fact I will strongly advise you to simultaneously follow the questions and the PYQs that were asked in IBPS exams. In my YouTube channel I have already made PYQ on GIC RE IT exam, UIC data analyst exam. I have also made objective and descriptive questions of NABARD IT. Do watch these videos. You can also find recent IBPS SO IT questions from Gajendra sir's YouTube channel. So you just have to write like good IT officer. So in this channel you will find recently conducted IT paper of UBI SO IT paper. So similarly sir has made a lot of IT PYQ papers. So do watch those IT PYQ papers, you will understand. And one thing guys, from my own experience I have seen that questions of SBI SO IT were repeated in other SO IT exams. IBPS often repeat the questions of SO IT papers. So don't think like I am preparing IBPS SO IT, so I will not watch SBI SO IT paper PYQ. No, do not do like this. IBPS often repeated questions. So also follow the question of other exams. Other SO IT exams. Now after practicing question, you need to give test. And for SO IT exam, the best test series is Olive Board. But the price of Olive Board is bit high. Anyway you can take it. And other two options are ADDA mock test, textbook mock test. And I will suggest you to take subscription of any two among these three.